Hey, it's Greg from Scholar Farms, and we're here in San Francisco. And we're here with Maximilian, the CEO from Wingtra, and we're here with the Wingtra. He's going to tell us a little bit about the platform specifically for mapping and my favorite interest, which is mapping vegetation. You want to tell me a little bit? Thanks for coming out to the city.
Great, Greg, thanks a lot.
Yeah, tell me a little about this thing.
Very happy to be here and tell you about the Wingtra. This is the Wingtra One, the platform that takes off vertically and then flies like an airplane. It actually covers large areas, up to a couple of 100 acres in one flight.
Okay.
You can swap batteries up here. You can put multiple payloads. So also red edge as multispectral.
Yeah, so we have a red edge here. Basically, you can swap out if you want to open that guy up.
Sure.
And so right now we have the GPS in here. We got a pitot tube here, and we're doing PPK, RTK?
PPK.
PPK, right? So doing for precision mapping. You want to post-process the data, but then it's very accurate down to centimeter level accuracy for traditional surveying. And then right now you have the Sony camera on there.
Exactly, you can see it here below the lid.
And how many megapixels is that?
That is 42 megapixel full frame sensor, really high end.
So super high end. You got the Sony for doing mapping. You're typically mapping around 75% overlap or so. We can swap out then and get the red edge multispectral camera on there as well, and we get up both our data layers, right? RGB, multispectral, etc.
Exactly.
So tell me a little bit about who the target customer is on somebody that would buy this thing.
So target customers in our segment are really surveyors, or people that work in engineering offices and providing services. Can be in the construction industry and the classical surveying industry, and also if it goes into vegetation, can be in the public safety segment or in the agriculture segment as well.
Yeah, so we're here in California. We're dealing with large land surveyors, particularly for fire risk assessment. We're doing a lot of work there. And so being able to take off vertically allows us to go in pretty tight spaces, pop out above the trees, do our mapping, come back, and then transition down again. So you guys are a growing company. You're like up to 75 or so people
Exactly,
now.
75 people
and
now.
hiring. So if you're interested, you can go to wingtra.com. Is that right?
Exactly.
To learn more and check out the Wingtra One. Thanks a lot for coming out to the city. We're gonna go get some coffee. We got some coffee. We're here in San Francisco. It's a beautiful day. We're not gonna fly this thing downtown, but I'm hoping to see it fly later. So Greg with Scholar Farms. We'll talk to you again soon.